Beijing Winter Olympics is an important and inspiring moment of unity amid the difficult time of pandemic, a U.S. expert has told Xinhua in a recent interview.
I think it was a very important moment. I think it was very inspiring. It was inspiring not only because of the athletes and their accomplishments, but the ceremonies also were very inspiring from the beginning to the end. And especially, I was impressed by the fact that when they all came out, they were playing Beethoven's Ode to Joy from his Ninth Symphony, probably the most important piece of music that any Western musician had ever created. And I think that also really told the story of what these Olympics were all about. It's happening at a very difficult time, a time of great tension, but it was a moment of unity. So maybe it's like a sign that for the world that we can be something else than we are at this point. We can move in a different direction than we're moving now. And I at least hope that's the case.